Alright, so let's learn how to rappel with the help of only carabiners. Okay, something called as a carabiner brake. All you need to do is have few carabiners. In this particular scenario, we will be using plain carabiners. Now, thing to remember over here is that you need to have carabiners, that is plain carabiners of same shape and same size. Alright, now over here I have one main carabiner, that is locking carabiner. What I'll do is I'll take two carabiners. They are plain carabiners of same size and same shape. I'll pass both of them in a reverse direction. That is, their gate should reverse. So one I'm passing through left and another one I'm passing through right. If you see, the gates are opening in different direction. This one towards right and this one towards left. Understood? Now you got to take your rope and pass through it. Just extend this section. Now you need two more plain carabiners, which again you will be passing in such a way that their gates are reversed, that is in different opposite direction. The one I'll pass from outside. Understood? And I'll just slide it back. Similarly, I take the second carabiner from inside to outside in this particular case. Inside to alright. And thus then I will slide both the carabiners back to the previous two carabiners. Now if you take a closer look, the carabiner gets cinched between, the rope gets cinched between the carabiners. It is good enough for me to give ample amount of required friction. Look, this is good for me in order to provide me required amount of friction. And from here I will start my rappel.